Hi, this is Michael McCabe with the VMware America's Partner Organization. I'm here with Steve Kaplan from INX. Hi, Steve. Welcome.
Hi, Michael. Thank you.
We're coming to you from Orlando at the VMware Partner Exchange 2011. And Steve, thanks for joining us, and congratulations on your award last night.
Thanks.
INX was named our Global Desktop Partner of the Year, so wonderful news. And we're here today to talk about a solution that impacts the desktop, the unified communications from Cisco technology being virtualized on the Cisco UCS system and VMware vSphere. But before we do, we just want to talk a little bit about your partnership with VMware and with Cisco.
Sure. Well, INX is we're a publicly traded company, and two major aspects to our business: unified communications and data center virtualization. And we're very closely aligned with both leaders in the field, Cisco and VMware.
Great, great. And I know that as we look at the journey that our customers are on around virtualization, certainly we've had a lot of success together in helping customers with IT production, and now we're starting to see them move into business production, mission-critical workloads. But maybe you can talk a little bit about the success to date with your customers.
Sure. I mean, just before talking about our customers, I think the kind of evolution of virtualization, first started as test dev, and then moved into production data center. And what we saw happening was a unification, first of storage and compute and network. And then that gradually expanded to incorporate disaster recovery, a whole kind of silo, and then to incorporate the desktop as well. Now we're kind of on the final frontier where we're seeing this convergence of voice and unified communications. So it's just a great success story, and our customers get that, and they're excited about it. And it's also a fantastic financial play, because instead of having to have this whole separate infrastructure to support unified communications, distinct from the infrastructure for their virtualization, we're able to bring it all together and get the advantages of virtualization, in terms of high availability and disaster recovery and so on, as part of the unified communication story. In the meantime, significantly reducing the cost of hardware and backend infrastructure, management, et cetera. So our customers are thrilled. It's working great technically, and it's just a fantastic solution.
Oh, that's wonderful. I know we see our customers on this journey. When they virtualize a mission-critical workload like unified communications, their confidence in the infrastructure has to be very high. I know we don't always think of Cisco UC as a mission-critical Tier 1 application, but certainly the types of work that's done with those applications is key to the business, and having performance and reliability is absolutely critical to them. Can you talk a little bit about your experience with customers around this solution and the types of benefits that they're seeing?
Sure. Well, our customers, I think, absolutely see unified communications as critical, and so does Cisco. Mm-hmm. Cisco has not just casually thrown this out. In fact, it's been extremely deliberate and slow and cautious, and they've approached it very slowly. I mean, for one thing, limiting unified communications as VMs on UCS is indicative of the granularity and the high quality that Cisco can ensure of with using UCS. But on top of that, they've put in a lot of other kind of cautious limitations, including the number of VMs that can be run on a blade, and the types of vSphere functionality that's supported today, the INX functionality. So Cisco's really taken this deliberate approach to ensure that the solution is flawless and that customers can continue getting all the advantages of unified communications, but now with less cost, with less infrastructure, with easier management, and with the types of disaster recovery and some of the other capabilities that virtualization brings.
Yeah, there's no doubt when you virtualize these workloads, it brings all kinds of great capabilities from both an operational perspective as well as the ability to deliver new services more quickly. So that's wonderful. I know a part of our opportunity together with Cisco is around their VXI strategy and initiative, and that's very exciting for VMware to be part of that. I know it's exciting for you as well. How do you see the UC on UCS solution starting to be an on-ramp really for customers as they look at VXI?
Well, the UC on UCS is an essential part of VXI, because it's the back end. That's where it all runs and has all the advantages that I just discussed. But it's also, VXI extends that to the client side, where now our customers have one device that's not only their virtual desktop, but it's their phone, it's their video, it's their web collaboration, it's their telepresence, everything running as a secure, well-managed, highly available virtual machine on the UCS of the data center.
Oh, that's fantastic. I know we look forward to working with you and the team at INX, as well as our partners at Cisco, on that solution.